Saddam no follow you.
Yes, I know. He's upset from me. I know.
No upset, no. You upset, no. Saddam upset.
I know.
Yes.
Hi Bambi.
I don't play with dog. You are a dog and you are bad girl.
यल्ला बर्रा, get out. इसको क्या हुआ
क्या
है?
हुआ?
पता
क्या
नहीं
हुआ इसको?
यार, मैंने इसके साथ परसों मैच खेला था, लेकिन मैंने तो इसको कुछ बोला भी नहीं था। आपको पता ना, मैं आपको कभी कुछ बोलती हूँ। इसने मुझे अनफॉलो मारा हुआ है। इसको क्या हुआ है?
यहाँ वो कह रहा है
आपके गिफ्टर ने इसको गिफ्टिंग नहीं किया होगा ना?
नहीं, वो मेरे साथ बैठती है, लेकिन इसको स्कोर नहीं पड़ता, फिर ये वो हो जाती है, उसकी बेइज्जती हो जाती है।
तो मैंने आपको क्या बोला कि आपके गिफ्टर ने इसको गिफ्टिंग नहीं किया, इसलिए आपको अनफॉलो किया है।
यार कसम से, हमारा तो अच्छा खासा
मैं इसको जानता हूँ, मैं बम्बी को मैं जानता हूँ बहुत अच्छी से।
सड़ गई है भाई, सड़ गई है, इसका बढ़ गया है मैच।
बम्बी सब, मैं इसको दोबारा उठाता हूँ, थोड़ा लड़ाई।
उठाओ। ये कुछ चुस्के लेने बैठा हुआ है।
तुम बातें नहीं करेगा तुम। ए बम्बी,
Bambi, what did I do?
where are you going? You crazy?
Hamraz,
You going where?
Bambi, what did I do?
Last time me and you play, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
You say
Hasina
request
लेके बैठी
and
हूँ।
you come my team. You say that to me. I don't know your language. I never disrespect you. People say,
But I never
she's
said
calling you
anything.
dog.
Astaghfirullah, I never said. Allah ki qasam, I never said that to you. All I ever said was Bikharan. That's it. You call me Bikharan as well. As a joke, If you're gone, no. If you're this sensitive, you shouldn't be on TikTok. If you're this sensitive, then you shouldn't be on TikTok. I'm sorry.
Hey Bambi, you
I've never
crazy?
said anything against you. I haven't said anything against you. Trust me.
Everyone speak louder. Why?
Bro, I never said anything. Why are you making a big deal out of it, bro? Are you good? Are you in senses? I've not said anything against you. I have not said anything against you. Don't you get it? People are shit, bro. They're gonna say anything. You're gonna believe them?
सच में मुझे समझ कुछ नहीं
You
आता
come
है,
talk
तो
to
मैं
me.
उसको सिर्फ
Did I
बोलता
ever
हूँ
say
crazy।
anything bad to you? No, right?
I don't know your language. I don't know your
But
language.
I've said never. Astaghfirullah. I never said anything bad against you, bro. Don't you get it?
Wait. Bambi, you
People
crazy?
come, they say random shit. Are you gonna trust them every time?
तो फिर बीच में अपनी टांग अटकानी जरूरी है।
एक मिनट रमशा। People are gonna say shit to you every second. People are gonna come, they're gonna say shit to you every second. Are you gonna trust them?
تمشي مع الاخوان كي جاكالا دينا كوجب شيء.
You wanna play? You stay here. You don't wanna play? You get out.
Bambi, you crazy.
In
you
respectful
crazy,
way.
man. You got
One thing, Bambi, I've never said anything bad towards you. Alright? You wanna leave? You wanna stay? That's your choice. But I've never said anything bad towards you.
Never.
Never.
कसम से ना ये लड़की
Yeah, when I play with you, I will tell you something.
Dude,
Most
Bambi,
of
Bambi,
people-
if you have any problem, talk to me. If you have any problem, no. If you have some problems, talk to me. Inbox me. That's it. Text me.
Okay.
We're gonna sort it out. But if not,
something.
if you're this sensitive, you shouldn't be on TikTok. Trust me.
Okay, Isha, listen. This is not viewers. Host, write me. Host. You know which host? Which one they are?
That's not my bullshit. That's not my bullshit. I've never said anything bad towards you. Don't you
yes
get it?
Bambi, yes, good.
If people are gonna come to
Isha,
your chat, they're gonna say that Isha Rana is talking shit about you. That's not my thing, bro. That's not my problem. If I wanna say shit to you, I will say it in English, in which you understand. I'm no coward, bro.
इसका सीखो अदर वाला सीखो देखो कितना सही है।
Now, you wanna play or not?
You play. Oh no, you Bambi no go, play. Okay, मैच
हो गया आपका हमराज?
हाँ मैच प्ले
करो मैच प्ले फिर आप भाई।
नहीं ये बम्बई किसके साथ है? बम्बई को बोलो ना किसके साथ?
बम्बई मेरे साथ है, तो भेज मेरे साथ।